It has come to our attention that there is a disastrous disease going all over the world. This disease already has a name: ablation syndrome. This is a disease where random objects just disappear. This house is an example of ablation syndrome. The country where ablation syndrome is most dominant is Belize. The country with the least amount of cases of ablation syndrome is the United States. Although ablation syndrome is an incredibly rare disease to occur with living organisms, 1 in 12,500 chance with any living organism, it has happened before. Cole Bernstein is an example of ablation syndrome with living organisms. We do not know how the disease came into existence, but by the time this is being broadcasted, the cure to ablation syndrome in the United States is 68% done. As a final detail about the disease, this disease seems to not affect planes or military equipment. Have a safe one, and don't be near any objects that have been vanished.